3 ways JWC Disaster Solutions responds and rebuilds green. When disaster strikes a business, JWC Solutions can quickly do 2 things: environmentally clean up the mess, then rebuild sustainable. As a business that helps other businesses in the times of crisis, JWC Disaster Solutions are champions of eco-friendly practices and green products. In a world where environmental consciousness is no longer a choice, the ownership of JWC Disaster Solutions have been leading the charge towards a sustainable future for over 40 years. They continually stand as a guiding light in the corporate landscape, proving that it's not just about business and profit, but a commitment to our planet. I like to continually highlight companies that are doing their part protecting people and planet. Over 10 years ago, I received an urgent request to form a team and visit Japan to provide recommendations to both the Japanese government and Tokyo Electric Power Company regarding potential solutions for managing and cleaning up debris resulting from the destructive tsunami impact at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant and surrounding communities. The tsunami strike ultimately led to a meltdown of power plants, and one of my first calls was with Wayne Greiner, the owner of JWC Disaster Solutions. This being a highly sensitive situation, I knew that my experience with this trusted company was the right choice for this urgent and difficult situation. So let's dive into 3 ways this extraordinary company and their green practices are some of the best in the world. You'll discover a commitment that goes beyond mere lip service. 1. Unveiling the Green Arsenal. JWC Disaster Solutions is a powerhouse in the environmental sector, is not merely a company, it's a way of thinking about solving problems. From inception, their mission has been crystal clear. From rapid disaster cleanup to rebuilding, they intelligently blend innovation with sustainability. At the core of JWC Disaster Solutions is an environmental attitude that lies with many green practices. Their commitment to renewable energy sources, waste reduction, and carbon footprint neutrality is not just a trend, it's a way of business. Explore how their green practice and products is bringing together progress with preservation. 2. Beyond business, a pledge to the planet. What sets JWC Disaster Solutions apart is not just what they do, but why they do it. They have a deep-rooted passion and commitment that drives every decision at JWC Disaster Solutions. Discover how this environmental company is turning corporate responsibility into protecting both people and the planet. 3. Innovation that echoes JWC Disaster Solutions is not just an environmental company. It's a hotbed of innovation. Explore their groundbreaking technologies and products that are not only redefining industry standards, but also setting new benchmarks for sustainable business practices. They are leading the charge of a journey into the future where innovation and green consciousness go hand in hand with products and services. Join the green wave. The time is now and the change is green. Join the ranks of all who care about the planet's future. This episode invites you to become a part of the movement along with JWC Disaster Solutions. It's not just a company, it's a collective commitment to a greener, better world. To sum it up, JWC Disaster Solutions isn't just another player in the business arena. It's a force of nature reshaping the landscape with its green practices, products, and unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship. As you jump into the world of JWC Disaster Solutions, prepare to be inspired, enlightened, and motivated to join the ranks of those striving for a sustainable and eco-conscious tomorrow with the use of green practices and products. You may like this quote from Arnold Schwarzenegger, bodybuilder, actor, and former California governor. The future is green energy, sustainability, renewable energy. Thank you for listening and see you on my next episode.